Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Lilja. Welcome to St. Paul Chiropractic and Natural Medicine Center. We're located right here in the Highland Park, Mac Grove community on Randolph Avenue in Hamlin here in St. Paul, Minnesota. I opened this practice 4 years ago, and that would make it 2015. We just finished our 4-year anniversary, and I'd like to introduce you to our office. Follow me. So one of the first things that the most important things I've learned over time is that you have to surround yourself with good people. This is my front desk staff, and I'm very blessed and honored to have some of the best in the business, Andrea and Emily. Come on over here. I'm going to introduce you to the newest member of our faculty. Her name is Linda. Linda is our billing manager.
Hello.
She's in our office here that kind of doubles as our on-site x-ray equipment here. So we've got digital x-rays right here on site. No referrals needed. We can take care of all your needs in that regard right here. All of the x-ray equipment is hooked up to computer systems so that I can transmit and put your x-rays right up onto a computer screen, and we can really get some good diagnostic image to figure out how to best handle you. This is this is my office and an exam room. Follow me over here. We're gonna go out back into the reception area. This was a pizza place when we took it over. It had closed down, so we gutted the entire place and redid everything. We do a lot of nutrition in the office. In later videos, we're going to get into specific product demonstrations, but the bottom line is that we use functional medicine and clinical nutrition to not only take care of your musculoskeletal needs, but we're also going to be able to help you with some good solid nutrition recommendations as well. We have 3 massage therapists on staff right now. We've got 2 massage rooms. One of our therapists just went off on maternity leave, so we've got 2 amazing therapists at this point, but we typically have at least 3 massage therapists on staff as well. And then we walk into our open adjusting area. I've worked in a lot of different arrangements as far as office flow over the last 20 years. Because of space and kind of how I've developed to practice over time. I really like working in an open community so that everything's out in the open and we can see and serve more people because it's just more efficient. Again, we've got up-to-date EHR, electronic billing and medical records. We use therapies in the office. Electrical muscle stimulation, cryotherapy, and there's some other instrumentation that I'm again going to get into and explain in further videos. But go to stpaulnaturalhealth.com. More videos are going to be posted shortly. Brief but hopefully effective office tour.